Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a quick and simple design, but it's so absolutely stunning. It takes my breath away. I can't stop staring at my nails. So as we go with the design, you always will start off with base coat. Very important. Apply to all fingers and cure it for 60 seconds. Madam Glam are my gel polishes to go. I swear by them. Now apply a coat of your gel polish. I'm applying red on my thumb, my middle finger, and my pinky. Then the black color I am applying on my point finger and my ring finger. After application, cure it for 60 seconds. Macart Nail Art Foil Glue. Best foil glue I have ever used. Now this has to be cured after the application for 60 seconds. It does work better if you work quick and it's still warm from the heat of the lamp. So apply the nail foil glue on the black fingers only, cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, after the nail foil glue is cured, apply your foil. So I am not applying it to the full finger, only in certain spots, on the black nails only. So I'm just tapping it in certain spots, creating the design that I want. After the foil is applied and you're happy with the results, you do not need to cure this. Now that we are all done with this gorgeous design, it's time for the, oh my goodness, time for the top coat. Kiara Sky No Wipe Top Coat is my top coat to go. I'm applying that only to the red nails. Ugly Duckling matte top coat. It is the best matte top coat I have ever gotten, and trust me, I've gotten a lot of them. I did buy it on Amazon and it was a little bit pricey, but it is worth every penny. I am applying this to only the black nails. After the application is completed, cure your nails for 60 seconds. Now the reds are not sticky because I used the no wipe top coat, but I do have to clean off the sticky residue from the black nails. And all done. Beautiful, stunning, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.